What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some additional projects, as if we don't have enough already, right? So let's take a quick look around and see what we got. Oh no, it's another Polaris. I'm starting to think I like Polaris or something. All these Polaris showing up. As you can see, it's missing some stuff. I have already been working on this one a little. It was a wrecked unit. Got the footwell unit. You know that's a nasty hit when it bends plastic. Oh, plastic, my bad. What was I thinking? But seriously, check this out. That's the footwell support bracket that comes off the frame. Took out the belt drive unit cover. Ripped the whole front A-arm suspension out. Haven't even tried using a persuader. Couldn't bend that. We do have some replacement parts that came with the unit. New A-arm. You can see it completely. Ripped the axle out, but we should be able to yank that out, hopefully. A little persuasion. Looks like the shock tower may be a little bent. But we're gonna get her tore apart, get the wheel off, get a jack up underneath her. I tell you, Polaris, you guys gotta do something better than this. But yet they continue to make them. It's another Polaris Sportsman 570. RGR Motorsports. I wonder who they are. Oh well. But the big one, guys. Can-Am Commander 1000 XT. She took a nasty roll. Oh wow, it's a little dirty. Let's see. H? Nah. It's got a push button. Ooh, push the button, push the button! Ouch! Got mud in its wheels. Ooh. Not only did it roll, it took a hit from the rear. How do you get hit in the front and the rear at the same time? Yeah, this might be a little... Ooh, check this out. I don't think that's supposed to go there. Look at the bright side. At least we get to practice our welding skills. But check out that steering wheel. Ouch, that had to hurt. Look at the bend in that rail. Front suspension. We got some workable parts. Hey, there's a winch in there. Nice. Bonus. Yeah, looks like we're going to be doing a lot of plastic welding, reconstructing. Oh, no. It's Rotax powered. Shh, don't tell it. We're going to hook a battery charger to it, the old faithful Craftsman. I tell you, Craftsman don't make tools like they used to, but this thing's been a champ. I forget, leave it sitting outside in the weather. Plug it up, it still charges. So Commander XT, battery is located right underneath the driver's side. Missing some fuses. Oh, look. Telescoping. Alright, let's get the battery charger hooked up to it, see if we can get power on it, and see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the battery charger hooked up, cables inside. Red does go to red, or does red go to black? I can never remember. Alright, let's climb in. I feel like Hercules. Look at that straight. All right. Get all the dust off the dash. All right, here we go. On. I hear noises. Huh. Wonder what that does. And we got no gauge. Let's push the button. Oh, duh. One more click. Yeah, we still got nothing. Sport mode, eco mode, sport mode, eco mode. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Ooh, I heard noises. More noises. DPS. Yeah, still got nothing. Push the button. I heard clicking. We're going to let the battery charge for a little while. See if we can actually get some life out of this thing. We'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back. It's next day. Battery charger's been on the side by side all night. Let's see if the battery's stout enough to turn it over. We have the fuel pump. Push the button, see what happens. Just a click. Still got no dash. Let's crank it up. Go ahead and reset it. Just a click. Alright, well, we got some work to do. I'll give you a little update on the additional Sportsman here. Check out that rim. Looks like we're going to be doing some cutting. And also, look what we found. Actual shot tower is not sitting where it's supposed to. Oh, well, we'll see if we can do a little body work, metal work, pull that back out. If we can get it pulled somewhat straight, I'll weld some support braces on the side. But honestly, with this much damage, it really needs a frame swap. But check this out. It does run. That's a plus. Alright guys, stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, leave your comments what you think. Should we try straightening the frame? Or do you think we can repair it? Stick around. Like I said, subscribe, turn your post notifications. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.